Okay, solving systems by substitution. Last time we did systems of equations, we would graph two lines, and the answer would be where the two lines intersect. Okay, we're doing the same thing. We're just going to do another method instead of graphing it. Okay, so what you're going to do, we're not going to do this problem together. We're going to do a different problem together. But what you do is you use substitution. So y equals 3x. So if y and 3x are the same, I would substitute in 3x for y, and I would rewrite my equation like this. Instead of y, I wrote the 3x because they're equal, and then you solve for x and solve for y. Okay, that's one problem right there. If we look at this problem here, y equals x plus 1. So I'm going to take what y equals, x plus 1, and I'm going to plug it into this equation. So I would rewrite it 2 times x plus 1 equals 3x. I rewrite that bottom equation. Instead of y, I write the x plus 1. So let's look at the problem we're going to do. So if you remember, the problems that I just showed you quickly all had a variable alone. And this one, we don't have a variable alone. So you got to get a variable alone. Now, I think the easiest one, you could do either one, but I think the easiest one here would be subtract 2x from both sides. And now we got y equals negative 2x plus 6. So now I have y equals, so I got y alone. So I take what y equals and I plug it into the other equation. Okay, not the same one, it's got to be the other one. So I'm going to rewrite that other equation, 2x minus negative 2x plus 6 equals 2. Now, because I'm subtracting these, this negative 2x is going to become positive 2x. And that 6 is going to become negative 6. And if you don't like that explanation, you could also make this a negative 1 and distribute the negative 1. So either way you write that, that's fine. And then you add these two together, 4x minus 6 equals 2. Add the 6 to both sides, plus 6 plus 6. 4x equals 8. Divide by 4, x equals 2. Now you're going to want to stop there because you got an answer, x equals 2. But you can't, because if you remember when we did graphing, we found a point where they intersect, and we got an x and a y where they intersected. So right now we only have an x, so my answer is going to be 2 comma something. Now you got to plug in that 2 in for x. You could plug it into this one, any of those equations. I'm going to plug into this one, nice and easy. So y equals negative 2 times 2 plus 6. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, plus 6 is 2. So we got 2 for y, so my answer is 2 comma 2. You got to make sure you got an x and a y. And then we're done.